Jim, can I share the sky? All right. I'll be your moving target for combat operations here. All right, taxiing out.
What are you flying?
Got my little mini stick.
Okay.
All right, where are you?
For me, really easy.
There you are. All right, taking off.
There you go. You got capability of turns and everything else.
I'm sorry?
I said I'd have a hard time getting away from you.
No. This one here is a slow flyer, and
It's very maneuverable though.
I'm going to shoot you down.
Huh? Yeah.
I'm going to shoot you down.
I'll try a landing. I'm down to about a minute and a half.
Not if I shoot you down first. Yeah, da-da-da-da-da-da. Got your tail feathers. You landed now?
Yeah.
All right, am I in your way?
No.
All right, here's a low and slow here in front of us. Almost a little too low, almost caught the fence with the wheels. Same pass, but this time with a little bit of speed. Yeah, this one is not incredibly fast on the 3S, but it does handle pretty good. We are on mid rates on everything. And on the mid rates, the roll is still fairly slow, or I shouldn't say slow, but tame, we'll put it that way. They're pretty mellow still. Come over here in the high rates and see what she does. Can't really remember. I don't think it was too crazy. But I know it loses a lot of altitude when you're rolling, so it's definitely not axial. Faster, but it, like you said, it still wants to drop the angle of attack down when you're doing it. Go back into mid on the aileron. 3 minutes left. Yeah, I think I have this set for about 8.5 minutes. 8 or 8.5, I can't remember. And it's still gets the battery down with 385 or so. That's with a 2200, by the way. 3S 2200. It's a fun little flyer. Get us a loop in the works. Nice big slow one. And now for a tight one. Or two. Another slow pass here in front of us. Another one coming back the other way. Yeah, we need to get our vertical on too. Going up, up, up. There's a roll, another roll, and she just ran out. The sun's bright. About 30 seconds left. Make one more pass and we'll set up for a landing. Beautiful day out here today. Probably about 65 degrees already. About a 3-mile-an-hour breeze. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, there was our tail finally dropped. This does use a tail skid. I'm not normally a fan of it, but this one seems to do okay. Probably because of the rather large rudder in proportion to the rest of the plane. Yeah, the rudder's got quite a bit of surface area, especially with the top portion up there. It goes above the vertical stab. Alright, Mini Ultra Stick. If you get a chance to pick one of these up at a swap meet or something, I'd recommend it. It's a good flying little plane. Alright, thanks for watching.